So class 10th, I start the circulatory system. It is also known as the blood vascular system. So first of all, when we have defined the circulatory system or blood vascular system, blood pumps throughout the body through the blood vessels by the pumping action of heart, that is called the circulatory system. It means blood circulates in our body by the pumping action of the heart, and their root is the blood vessels. And it is mainly concerned to the conduction of the blood throughout the body. So circulatory system comprises three facts. First is circulatory system is completed when we have studied the three types of the components. The first components is the blood, second is the heart, and third one is the blood vessels. So third one is the blood. So first of all, deal the blood. So what is the blood? Blood is a fluid connective tissue which is composed of the nutrients, antibodies, hormones, wastes, etc. So blood is a fluid connective tissue which is composed the nutrients, oxygen, hormones, antibodies, wastes, etc. to maintain the metabolism of body. So blood is the most important parts in the human beings as like other animals. So it is the fluid connective tissue, it is the liquid form or the fluid form, and in the blood it is composed of all of the essential elements, that is the nutrients, oxygen, hormones, antibodies, waste, etc. All of these essential elements helps to maintain the metabolism of the body. It means the body of the living beings, it is completely dependent upon the circulation of the blood. So blood in our body, blood is usually red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. So in the human body, or mostly of the animals, the blood is red in color. So red in color due to the presence of the hemoglobin. And usually the blood is present about 4.5 to 5 liters in an adult person. So on the average, the blood is present In the human beings, that is the 4.5 to 5 liters, or 7 to 9% to their body weight, and 7 to 9% to their body weight. And another way, we have the quantity of the blood in our body, the 7 to 9% of the body weights. So this blood is studied in the two forms, that is the plasma and blood cells. So blood is studied into the two forms. One is the plasma and another is the blood cells. So plasma is the non-cellular gelatinous substance. It is mainly presents the 55% of the volume of the blood. It is pale yellow in color. Plasma is pale yellow in color. It is the non-cellular gelatinous substance, and in the total 55% of the volume of the blood, that is the plasma. So its main function is carry the nutrients, hormones, and others. Also, its main function is the plasma, which is the non-cellular gelatinous substance, pale yellow in color. It carries the most essential parts, that is the nutrients, hormones, and others. Another function, it contains plasma proteins, that is the globulin, prothrombin, ADC, which helps in blood clotting. Plasma is the non-cellular electrical substance, and its main function is the carrying the nutrients, hormones, and other essential elements. And it contains plasma proteins, globulin, prothrombin, which helps in the blood clotting. Another part, that is the blood cells. So blood cells, it is mainly divided into the three parts, that is the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. So blood cells is divided into three parts: RBC, WBC, and platelets. RBC, its full form is the red blood cells, and it is also known as erythrocytes. It is also known as erythrocytes. White blood cells, its short form is the WBC, or white blood cells, or white blood corpuscles, and it is also known as the leukocytes. Third one, that is the platelets. It is also known as the thrombocytes. So there are three types of the blood cells in the human beings and also some of the organisms. So erythrocytes, it is the RBC and it contains hemoglobin which makes blood red in color. So blood is red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. So it is called the red color of the blood. So it is called the RBC. Usually, the erythrocytes, the shape of the RBC is the biconcave disc like, and its number is the number of the blood RBC is the 45 to 50 lakh per cubic millimeter of blood, and the lifespan of the RBC is within 4 months, about 125 days. As like in the RBC, it is manufactured in the red bone marrow. And its main function is to carry the oxygen. So called oxygen carrier. So when we have understand the RBC, it is also known as the erythrocytes, red in color due to the presence of hemoglobin. Shape is the biconcave disc-like or the in the oval form, and their number is the 45 to 50 lakh per cubic millimeter of the blood. And life is span is about 4 months or 125 days, and it is made in the bone marrow, and its main function is to carry the oxygen, so called the oxygen carrier. And deficiency of the RBC is caused by the anemia. So anemia is the disease which is caused by the scarcity of the RBC, and person suffers from the anemia. Another part, that is the WBC. When we have compared the RBC and WBC, particularly it is the colorless or white in color. It is the colorless or white in color due to the absence of hemoglobin. Its shape is the irregular, but oval. Number is the 6,000 to 10,000 per cubic millimeter of blood, and its lifespan about 2 weeks or 15 days, and it is manufactured in the yellow bone marrow. And main function of the WBC is to fight, to develop the immune power and produce antigens for fight against diseases, so-called it is the fighter of the disease or soldier of the body. So WBC, it is also known as the leukocytes. It is colorless, irregular form, but largest size of the blood is the WBC, and its number is the 6,000 to 10,000, and its lifespan is only 2 weeks or 15 days, and it is made in the yellow bone marrow, and its main function is develop the immune power, which is the resistance power of the body, and fight against the disease germs, and it is called the fighter or the soldier of the body. So another part, that is the platelets. So platelets, it is also known as the thrombocytes, and it is also colorless and irregular in size, but spindle form. The shape is the smallest in their size. The number is 3 to 5 lakh per cubic millimeter, and it is also made in the bone marrow, and its main function is to help in clot the blood or blood clotting. It means prevents the excessive bleeding at cut or injury. So we have in the study the platelets, it is also known as the thrombocytes. It is the smallest in the size compared to the RBC and WBC. Its color is also colorless, but it is also irregular in shape and size, but usually these are the spindle form, and its number is vary from 3 to 5 lakh per cubic millimeter. It is also made up of the yellow bone marrow, and its function is prevents the excessive bleeding, and it is called the blood clotting, the process in which after the cut they have a clot or coagulate, that is called the blood collating. But when the deficiency of the thrombocytes occurs, excessive bleeding, that is called the thrombopenia. Thrombopenia is a kind of the disease in which occurs the excessive bleeding after colic. The homework from the circulatory system, as the first of all, first question is what is circulatory system? Write the differences between RBC or erythrocytes and WBC or leukocytes. Write the functions of blood and write the functions of blood short notes about the platelets and plasma. So it is the homework.